Hi everybody! Just wanted to give you a little peek in my bathroom at a project I did that if I didn't do would drive me just crazy. So, see, I live in this beautiful Victorian. This is my bathroom. Look at these details. Look at that door. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it's so nice. So this is my bathroom and it's got this boring, bland mirror in it. Like it was just a mirror that someone slapped up on the wall. And I would look at it in this room and I would just cringe. I was like, it needs a frame, it needs a frame, it needs a frame, please. But I rent. And so I was a little stumped as to how to address that because I didn't want to like glue anything that they might want me to remove when I moved out or anything like that. Although they should never take it down because it's beautiful. So I'll show you what I did because it had to be done. This is the mirror. Look how pretty she is. Oh, she's framed in all her glory with little Victorian details. Oh, it's like it always lived there and should have been there forever. Like, look at that. So, let me tell you how I did this so it doesn't have to stay forever. I attached, you know those 3M strips? They're like Velcro, but they're like extra heavy duty Velcro, and they you can pull them with the little gooey stuff and then it doesn't leave any mark on the wall. That's what I used here. So I'll show you. I think this top corner is the easiest to see it with. Up there, you can see between the glass and the wood, there's one of those 3M strips. I put them in various places underneath the wood, so it's sticking straight to the mirror in most of the spots. And this wood I just got at the hardware store. I got it at like Home Depot. Came in 8-foot lengths. I had to buy 2 of them, cut them to size, and I painted everything white. Like you can buy these beautiful little details for the corners, so I didn't have to invest in a miter box thing. And to be honest with you, this house is wonky. It's old, the angles are all off, and to make this look straight, I actually have 2 different sides, like 2 different measurements for each side of the mirror so that it looks straight even though it's not straight, because the walls are not straight. So I just want to give you a little, look into the beautification of my bathroom and show you how easy it can be. I looked online for tutorials on how to frame your mirror. They were all like really heavy duty, like miter this, measure that, use this caulking and all these nails and stuff that you can't do as a renter. So there's my mirror. I hope you enjoy it. Hope you take on something in your space that makes you feel better when it's beautiful. Good luck with it.